But it's actually they were expecting that day. most of people ba dumela go ka bribewa to sacrifice their service. Why ke tšho jalo? Go na le tendency ya go ha batho ba emela ba protesta for any certain service. E ba le ntse la go re tshaba tshwariwa. While ba lebetse gore they've got the right to do so. And then secondly, go see it's about gore if they stand up against wrongdoings, but how go batla lose mesebetsi ba promiswa. E le go indeed mesebetsi wa hiyo sometimes. Yeah, no. Ke nana gore if re ne re le united mo kokosi and then re lwanela service ya kokosi the way tleng le tla ka teng by now ke ba rena le zebaya. Yeah, no. Kokosi jone e tshaba taba go icommit go lwanela service ya bona. Check up on nako tse paya ne we used to attend a lot of meetings whereby re bona gore ba mona some of the items or service aids ya ka se ona e tlogela go morago. And then I started to say, let me sit down ke check gore what is the cause of why this thing is a hard for community ya bona, whereas it is part of the IDPs and so forth. Then I realized gore it's either rona mo kokosi if re thola then ke mo teng lo ke re to shola mo kuleng dilo tse pare le gona di thola. Then I said thinking let me just dwell to politics and ke batla understand gore whatever ga le promise batho why sa etsagale. And then unfortunately e ka inwella politiki mo madingaka go fitlela today o bona gore nna I ke well to any political party, but I consider myself as a civil organization which is in full is a SANCO. More than indeed service only. You are not based in any political party. And then we give on our thinking, this is my strength. More okay, I need to face government in terms of service delivery. And especially service delivery park. Resume Station 6. Cover the year 2014 at the end towards 2015. Whereby Station 6 the so-called leadership various political parties Babu Station 6 is until a decision if Station 6 is a in a budget we boycott the elections of 2016 and eventually saying that Station 6 can arrive. Go bontsha go na le ntwe e ntse se tlo Station 6 e sa etsagala. Now e be re bontsha sign ya gore either government ya rona ha o sa forced go sa dilo they will never be it. Second point e be ba taba ya Electrification Act Station 99 whereby more issue ya motlakase wa 99 e tladile ke me ya ga maphefu mo le go na le ntate mogolo mong ke le betse le bitso la gagwe a tšheletse mo ntlong mo mokhukhung fete. Then ya ba part of the announcement ya gore extension entity no go ba le botlhokwa ba gore e ka electrifyiwa. Then it drags so about 6 to 7 years ntse go bina pinaswene e sa etsagale until we are some again intervene mo taba ya extension entity na motlakase. Then while intervene engaging with the various department ya motlakase we discovered up until we get the reality document tse buang ka Station 99 and we confronted them with the very same document. That's when now re bone gore the government e re busa sama ke re gatela in terms of the service. then matsatsi a tsamaya ka di 3 tsa December 2017. Yeah, 2017 ka di 3 tsa December ra kopana le councilor ba mitsang councilor Mzwaki ke mo teng a bile a tla tlo presenter gore 2018 January indeed contract ya tlo ke motlakase go fitlhela mo teng sa ka etsagala ya teng. Then we keep on engaging le bone until now re anticipate go botse ke we need to strike or sort of marching and so on with the resident of extension 99. First of all it's a hit and then go tsagalang ga yone responders anga e ba right to those leaders whereby go bile go fetsa go lwani ba no. Then we post mo issue ya motlakase because re bona go now it is between our life or the service so that we choose no re batla indeed re stop but re sa stop because of re batla stop in totality. Re stop just for la go re ke break re bona batla falla kae. There were threats whereby some of the leaders, even if I cannot quote by name now, they used to buy young gangsters to come and threaten us. If we continue by doing this, it's either we'll face them. And then indeed, in some cases, it's a hit whereby or something else. Then before it's all up in this thing, I engage the official mayor. What is what's going on? And then plus minus 7 months, 6 to 7 months. We started again, calling the meetings, and then now without fear or favor now, re-engage our robbers. If you are not going to give us this, I don't consider that 122 Kukosi, extension 1, we will remove our councillor. Whereby we drafting petitions and so forth to say councillor now. If we are not going to get what you have promised to us. And then 2018, I think it was May, May. We gathered again as a community. And then in that response, Councillor Wawa 22 and then the MMC, they attended that meeting. They end up signing the affidavit to say indeed July, I'm not sure of the date. July, indeed, Rebono contract again. Installing those posts in Rebono construction as well now. I felt communities have achieved its own goal. Because I think in most cases, I'm not doing this for my own crown. Hence, I had to mobilize community. And then all of us, we managed to do what we have been doing and achieving it. But individually, I feel this victory belongs to the community. One of my station one, we are getting IDP draft because of IDP into a draft on the community. We are getting extension 1 after 94, the first extension. Sorry. And then the for so until disadvantage IDPs are calling the debate. Did we le praga kadikela? Did we le di holo? Did we le different spot code? Did we le the police station no ya tloka gala mo kasi the list go on. But I think what is important ke gore infrastructure ya go tse pala ka mo kokosi lone until one of the thing e go kenya tlhokagala e le gore government ya gona o masepala gona I see taking into consideration. But on that, I challenge the masepala in various occasions, whereby we compare Kokosi le Khutsong. Most of service, including those ones that already put inside the IDP, more than the but Khutsong the and then the close to the cost of that thing. Leadership it does not represent us fully. Hence I'm saying it's either by their personal gain or ba popular thing. Why ke children? If indeed bana ba tshwere mandate and then ba tseba botlhoko ba service delivery mo Kokosi, they could have at least came to us, but very difficult. We cannot reform a service. Go fitlela batho ba re ba electa ba re tsela koptu as Kokosi. And ke yone ntse tsa go ga leadership re na le pala ka represent. Ke tloka batho ba understand go indeed Kokosi ina le dilo tse go ke go mogago ka tsone. First of all, oh, I think ha ke tshwere batho pala ka dilo tse dingata di unfold ga go teng, because I might not know gore batho ba bone ba ka tla ka di ideas fe, okay? And then ke mo teng ke nana gore because of most of the time ha rena le program we interact le batho and then ba re fa different vision or ideas and so forth re di implement, okay? But I believe gore dilo tse baya mo bophelo ba rona if re ke le batho ba ikemiseditseng eventually monyako mo le mo bulega. Okay, tla tlhalosa one thing again e etsang gore Kokosi e dule le debile ka teng. Go bona go na office e bitswang PCO, and I believe ke office e structured ke the ruling party. Most of the decisions didn't go in that office. Either part of development or either development is covering it all together. Why did you join? That office is a machinery of developing whom is the next councillor, favoring them, their idea, whatsoever from that councillor. And then if you're not familiar with Lebone, then forget to be a councillor or forget to benefit something else. It got one from them or the very same political party. Now, we discovered that most of the things we don't know about counseling, but do about counting feel about what and so forth. But where the culprit, the go facing PCO. And then I think we as a South African national civic organization, we have tabled a motion. We need that office to be reallocated to medication. It's whereby now most of young people, they might get more information quicker. To most of the cases they report on PCO. People they have to travel from here to town. And then Baba Matsuaf obviously. For whatever reason but highly locally, it's closer to everyone who can the information, either government side or private companies that send a vacancy, bursaries and so forth. But go realize ga gona re itse piso ya re sebeletse all together. But even if it's a relocate mo location, ne? It all administrators they have to be moved out because of either PCO problematic the administrators are thing or is for wrong purpose. Now we can bear in mind I don't know any member of any ANC or to spend more time to that office, but commit to spend more time to that office. As is a parliamentary constituency office. Therefore, those are the demand list to a memorandum. And furthermore, we believe we see a very thing today. Who combine the two municipalities, Kutong and Forgeville. Why get you? I think you can also remember that Forgeville honey came into Ilemaspala in one. More things were promising that they can take place. And then by the time I combined the two municipalities, that's whereby even the ward on itself, it didn't reduce one. And then remember, how the word the demarcation reduces the word, even the council of the reducer. Forgeville we've got only 5 words. Wadena we've got only 3 words. Kucho and Carlton even combined they've got 20 words. Then it says to me, automatically decision either whether where the mayor will come from, whatsoever, automatically could dominate. Most of the decisions, think for service delivery for this money to allocate to a guy. Obviously, my council of Forgeville are dominating you. Combined it with them. Now you can check. Ever since the really combined, I want to mayor kill some of Forgeville. Every time mayor the job put to Carltonville. Now, it play a part from where? From the ward on itself. Whether we can able to represent Kokosika Meyara. Yes, even if we can have a candidate. Kuzon currently in a new project, Ebizong Elijah Bahai, which consists of 12,000 something units. And it's a mega project. Onamo Forgeville Renale Extension 6 project. It consists of 2,138 units. Kuzon before Extension 6 developed plus minus units, 5,000 something units. Now, from 5,000 something Kuzon, on a 2,100 I think you might temper Otamilo Abona goes to the disadvantage in terms of service delivery. Based on capacities or engates of guy. Yeah, no. Up until that, he came in a relocosi again. Because power it was somewhere else. The decision, and then we born a kind of thing. We born in terms of development. Kuzo developed in 15 years. It developed a whole of Gogosi, but under one umbrella. But Gogosi on still in Zilogomara. Check. Here's a last example. 6 to 7 years back, going to a new construction of a bridge, Kokusuang Station 5, if I'm not mistaken. But if we check out the bridges, Amorona, they didn't before 94 or prior after 94. We check out stages something in the Mokai and Lenzo Gokuso. You can tell indeed. Mogogosi, I don't know anything new that can happen now. Understand? Nonetheless of Queen's Park. Queen's Park is already, but I'm saying Mogogosi. Hello, estimating. I estimate plus minus 4 to 5 years to come, those bridge may collapse. because a gona motho di maintain a gona motho checka go whether state sa teng se le right na from 2013 until 2014 and then ongoing from 2015 until 2016. Una chapter to the Matasa leadership and Nemapi for Marinoha. And a chapter to the Marinoha, Moronamon and any shelter in but Anna Luna Bella Holibon is a bit to answer me. And that's a secretary. But the way you from 2013 until 2020, it was no more 20 million arrangements managed. I don't know if you have a good. And you might have a million dollars. You know what? You fly forever too. No. And if you would any project to say for is it one affair?
Recassi puti mazoro, Hako Cosi, and Alematana. If it's 20 like you put on Cocosi. So you can very short. Ha ke utlwe ba re maphefo ha right ha ba tlikokosi ka pelo ga kaofela re likile gore o ne gona le ke tlo bone tse 233 fela go ne gona le company se tsane le teng e racist ene motshusitse re ya motshwarisi BME ra engwalla ra machetsa kwa BME ra o tsena le motho mo ntsono se jiwa makgwa a se jiwa le yena ne ba batle o mo searcha go ganne nna le mo tuontsi na kwa tene re bereka le comrade Nico was there ke rona ne re gana searchiwa marna se tsa dumetse but ke tla mo yona ke after that raza molona le BME ra ngola di grievance re kentse gore bana ba le ba ba kubileng re batla ba hire mo kokosi re na le batho ba itiri ba tlhokafaletse go BME up until today batswadi ba bona le bana ba bona ba sotlhega but BME is making millions mosadi wa seo go sena makhanselara BME ya tla mo tafoleng ya tlo duela rona mo fatshe re utlwile dilo tsa lona ya re batla o simolla re etsetse bana ba kokosi di science lab di tlatsa mo sekolong re lwane personally le maphefo a batla o di tsa a di se kokosi but BME is not go khutsong e poluta rona mo kokosi BME ya re batla o rekela bana ba di khutsana re ba ne ke mmolela extension 5 ko extension 5 a le mo ke sa mongwa le SMS BME ya re batla o rekela bana ba di khutsana uniform a etsaya a invoice for after care tse le lang go jarteng ya ga go me ya spla go phala ke na le proof ya yona mo
go plotong ya ga re ba nna plot ma sepa ga
wa ba le problem ya BME batla ya people ba go se ba iswe for the computer course
ke go pula na go le go bia le
licenses
e feletse kae e feletse kae
ba ne ba le kae ha rona le re strike
ya di mine e feletse kae
ke ne ba le kae
so ke sama fela gore ka bokhutswanyana it's clear mosadi ole ha batli kokosi because maphefo ngwaletse ka capacity ya gage go se banye gore ha re sa batla o bereka le batho ba di community bereka le makhanselara ba ne ba le kae ha le retsa di match re tlo go di culture le ya di mine so ntwe re tletseng mo it's enyane kae kwa maspa gona le batho ba tlhokafala gona le batho ba resigner 300 and something posts they are there mosadi ole di dutse ka di 500 ejo yeah the only batho ba tla ba bona go merafong ke mapedi
ntate
so ntwe ba tla go itho okay ngwana mo kokosi a kena go merafong Andrew a kena as a youth coordinator ha kena fela a shiftiwa go office ne kodimo a beiwa go ntle go dipuleng tsa boithuga tsewa all the problems tsa young people ha ke re ba re she was telling me in a straight gore o ska ba wa bereka le Andrew either ko di mining or ko BMP. Ke re mare why? Because re ya lwana politically. They said I hear bana bao because we promised a permanent work. Guess what? Ba khutso ba kry permanent. Ba ba ki ba mo kokosi. Ba filo di project ke ba ba sa tla mo kokosi.
Re ba sa tla. Thank you.
The other thing I want to say, Yadi last, I read anybody. Sorry, I Mabane never could so and they were in numbers. It's in total. They were in numbers. Kiruna the Retriever General. You can't shoot at our people, but 51 million rand. 51 million eka creator mesebetsi 51 million eka creator di-poultry mo banyana ba rona ba bereka ra rekisa nama ya kgogo ba tswa dikgogo the KFC le ko supermarket 51 million can make a lot tšhelete e le ile kae a se le di-trillion a ke tseng ka re ke di-zillion ke tsone tse tshwanetse di tle mo di developa bo Sandton go na le mine Midrand go na le mine what about us mo rona dintlo tsa batho di a wela ko bokhutsong so ke zama gore it's because of the capacity the capacity of mayor as a mayor as close. But it's a fella no ale satani go ba itsereng ba ikisa mo ba re tlo ba mayor a rona.
Bila ke mo hatya la ntse e re teng.
Thank you.